This is the MoJack ZR 350 Mower Lift. It'll lift 350 pounds. Hi, I'm Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com. If you're serious about maintaining your riding lawn equipment and you want to do it safely, securely, and conveniently, you really need to consider getting a mower lift. I recently made this investment. It cost me about right at $200. I bought mine at Tractor Supply Company. For that price point, I think the fit, finish, and the duty rating on this is pretty doggone nice. It came nicely packaged, minimal amount of assembly. The only thing I really needed to put together was the cradles, and those are fully adjustable with these pins right here, so you can move those in and out. So you're going to adjust and put those and set them to the width of your unit, and so that your tractor can roll right up on it. The tractor approaches from this side. This is the operator side of the lift, so the tractor will be sitting here about 20 inches higher, your lawnmower is what I'm saying, giving you nice access to the underside of the deck. It comes with this manual crank, which fits right here in this 3/8 drive square right there. You can use this as a safety or backup, but as you invest in a little drive like this, it's a 3/8 drive. This one's kind of tapered so it can come at an angle. There's other ones that are just straight. But what this is going to do, by chucking it in a cordless battery drill, you can simply mount it in here and use a cordless drill to speed this up. But before you do, there's 3 safety things that you need to take care of real quick. Please don't overlook these. They're for your safety and to make sure your equipment's secure. Number 1, after you've strapped this in here, you also need to set the parking brake on your lawnmower. Number 2, make sure the key's out of the ignition. Nobody that's around or that accidentally starts up the mower. Who wants to do that? And number 3, always use chocks. You can buy them pre-made, like you can see here, that go behind the rear tires. So as this is raised, the tractor doesn't have a tendency to want to run away from you. It's all secure, ready to go. All right, we've got all that stowed. It's ready to go. We're now going to start raising this. And I'm going to do this at moderate speed right here. So as we go up, there we go. And remember, this is lifting up to 350 pounds. So here we go. We're now raising. And I'm going to take it to maximum height so you can get an idea of how high this would have been. That's it right there. So you can see the tires that far off the distance that you would have underneath it to work with. There is a safety item here that you've got to know, and it's this unit right here. The manufacturer has implemented this locking bar. So right now, if I try to lower this, it's going to engage right there. It will not let me lower it. So what I'm going to do is, just to try it, I'm going to start to lower it, and immediately it binds up. It won't go anywhere. The reason is it's right here. So even if all this fails right here, it can't come down because the locking bar is holding this in place. And then there's a secondary right there too. So even in a partial, there's 2 places it's going to catch, and that's wedged right now. Using this, I was really pleased with it. And by the way, for 200 bucks to fit and finish, how it's put together, the weight, the durability, all looks very impressive with this. We think we're going to be very pleased, especially for a price point of $200. In the description down below, there's a link there that shows you where you can get it. No, I don't get a commission. It's just for your convenience. At Tractor Supply Company, at the time of this filming, about $200. Another thing that's really irritating when you work on these or on using your lawnmower is when the grass catcher keeps clogging up. Check out this video where I show you how to keep the grass catcher clean, the exhaust chute, and all of that, so you don't have to continually clean it out, stop your mowing. That little problem will go away. I know you're gonna like what you see. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay with dirtfarmerjay.com. Enjoying this great addition to my service shop.